Fighter jets and afterburners, roaring engines, fiery plumes, and fuel tanks draining in minutes. Afterburners give a huge burst of thrust but at a massive fuel cost. Imagine breaking the sound barrier and staying there, without that penalty. That's supercruise. Supercruise means flying faster than sound, no afterburner needed. It's not just about speed, it's about stealth, range, and tactical surprise. Fewer infrared plumes mean you're harder to spot, and you arrive at the fight with more fuel to spare. Only a handful of jets can truly supercruise, an elite club at the cutting edge of aerospace engineering. These aircraft aren't just fast, they're game changers in modern air combat. Let's look at 7 jets that define what it means to fly fast, smart, and efficiently. The F-22 Raptor is the gold standard for supercruise. Designed from day one to cruise supersonic, it can sustain speeds near Mach 1.8 without afterburners. Most fighters can only dash past Mach 1 briefly. The Raptor does it for as long as the mission demands. Its twin Pratt and Whitney F-119 engines deliver more dry thrust than many jets manage with afterburner. This isn't just about speed. Supercruise lets the Raptor launch missiles farther and faster, giving them a huge energy boost. The Raptor can strike before the enemy even knows it's there, then vanish at supersonic speed. Stealth and supercruise together make it nearly untouchable. It can patrol vast areas, respond to threats in minutes, and shrink the battle space. Its diamond-shaped wings and sleek airframe are built for efficient supersonic flight. The Raptor's design is a masterclass in blending power, stealth, and agility. It's not just a fighter with supercruise, it's the embodiment of the concept. The F-22's ability to sustain high Mach speeds is the backbone of its dominance. It controls the fight, dictates the terms, and leaves adversaries scrambling to keep up. Even decades after its debut, no other jet matches its combination of speed, stealth, and surprise. The F-22 is the ultimate supercruiser, setting the bar for every fighter that follows. In the world of air combat, it's still the king. That's why every Air Force wants what the Raptor has, but only a few have come close. Europe's answer is the Eurofighter Typhoon, a jet built for speed and agility. Its twin EJ-200 engines push it past Mach 1.2, and pilots say it can reach Mach 1.5 with a combat load. The Typhoon's delta wing and canard design make it both agile and efficient at supersonic speeds. Unlike the F-22, it carries weapons externally, but clever pylon placement keeps drag low. Supercruise lets the Typhoon intercept threats quickly, arriving with more fuel and options for the fight. Its unstable aerodynamic layout, managed by advanced computers, gives it razor-sharp maneuverability. The Typhoon can control the engagement, gain or lose energy fast, take the shot, or disengage at will. In real combat, that flexibility is priceless. While it lacks the F-22's stealth, its speed and agility make it a formidable opponent. Supercruise is central to its role as Europe's air superiority guardian. The Typhoon's design is all about dominating the fight once it starts. It's a different approach, but just as effective. In the skies over Europe, speed and agility are the Typhoon's calling cards. Supercruise is the edge that keeps it ahead of the pack. It's a high-speed guardian ready for any challenge. Enter the French Rafale, an omni-role fighter built for versatility. Unlike pure air superiority jets, the Rafale does it all: air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance, even nuclear deterrence. Its supercruise capability is shrouded in secrecy, but it's confirmed to sustain Mach 1.4 with missiles. Twin Snecma M88 engines aren't the most powerful, but the Rafale's lightweight composite airframe and advanced aerodynamics make up for it. Its canard delta wing design delivers lift, agility, and efficiency at all speeds. Supercruise isn't just for dogfights. Rafale can strike targets and escape at supersonic speed, minimizing exposure to enemy defenses. Its Spectra electronic warfare suite adds another layer of survivability, jamming and decoying threats. The Rafale's balanced design proves you don't need brute force to join the Supercruise Club. It's about finesse, using clever engineering to achieve high performance. In every mission, Supercruise boosts its effectiveness and survivability. The Rafale is a master of adaptation, excelling in any role. Its speed, agility, and electronic warfare make it a tough target. Supercruise is a key part of its omni-role philosophy. The Rafale shows that smart design can rival raw power. It's the enigmatic overachiever of the supercruise world, and it's earned its place among the elite. Russia's Su-57 Felon blends super maneuverability with stealth and speed. Early models use AL-41 F1 engines, giving limited supercruise about Mach 1.3. The real leap comes with the future Delia 30 engines, aiming for Mach 1.6-1.8 supercruise. The Su-57's 3D thrust vectoring and blended wing body design boost agility and reduce drag. It's less stealthy than Western rivals, but its aerodynamic performance is impressive. Supercruise lets it intercept threats across Russia's vast territory and gives its missiles extra range. The Su-57 can control the tempo, choosing when to fight or disengage. With new engines, it could rival the F-22 in sustained supersonic flight. Its development highlights the challenge of building true fifth-generation engines. For now, it's a junior member of the Supercruise Club, but with big ambitions. The Su-57 is Russia's bid to match and exceed Western fighters. Supercruise is central to that goal. It's a powerhouse with potential still unfolding. China's J-20 Mighty Dragon is a stealthy, long-range interceptor built for speed and reach. Early J-20s used Russian AL-31 engines, reliable but not enough for supercruise. The WS-10C engine brought limited supercruise around Mach 1.2-1.3. The real game-changer is the upcoming WS-15 engine, designed for true fifth-generation performance and high-speed supercruise. The J-20's large, sleek airframe is optimized for low-drag and long-range missions. Its stealth and speed let it threaten high-value targets and escape before a response. Even limited supercruise is a big advantage. Faster patrols, longer range, and more effective missiles. The J-20's evolution shows that engine tech is the key to unlocking a fighter's full potential. As China masters advanced engines, the J-20 will become a true high-speed interceptor. It's a work in progress, but the ambition is clear. The Mighty Dragon is poised to join the supercruise elite. For now, it's a glimpse of what's coming. The future of Chinese air power is fast, and getting faster. The F-35 Lightning II is the world's most produced fifth-gen fighter, but it doesn't supercruise. Its single F-135 engine is powerful, but the F-35 can't sustain supersonic flight without afterburner. This was a conscious trade-off. Stealth, sensors, and multi-role flexibility took priority over raw speed. The F-35's mission is to slip through defenses, gather intel, and strike with precision, not to chase down enemy jets at Mach 1.5. Critics say the lack of supercruise is a flaw. Supporters argue its networked warfare capabilities are more important. The F-35 can guide missiles from afar, making the whole force deadlier. It's a different philosophy, information dominance over kinematic performance. The F-22 is the supercruise king. The F-35 is the digital quarterback. Both are effective, but in very different ways. The F-35 proves there's more than one path to air combat success. Supercruise isn't everything, but it's not nothing either. In the end, it's all about the mission. The F-15 Eagle, America's air superiority legend, was never designed for supercruise. But with modern engines, the latest F-15EX can nudge past Mach 1 without afterburners under ideal conditions. It's not sustained, high Mach supercruise, but it's impressive for a 50-year-old design. Powerful engines and a clean loadout let it brute force through the sound barrier at high altitude. It can't match the efficiency or duration of true supercruisers, but the ability to cruise supersonic, even briefly, is a tactical edge. The F-15X is now a missile truck, supporting stealth jets with a huge payload. Efficient high-speed cruise extends its patrol and engagement range. The F-15 blurs the lines, showing supercruise is a spectrum, not a yes-no feature. It's a testament to great design and continuous upgrades. The old dog can still learn new tricks. Even after decades, the F-15 remains a force to be reckoned with. Supercruise or not, it's still one of the world's top fighters. Sometimes, raw power is enough to keep you in the game. From the F-22 to the F-15, supercruise is a game-changer in modern air combat. It means more range, more stealth, and more tactical options. The ability to control the fight, launching weapons farther, escaping at will, is priceless. Supercruise isn't just about speed, it's about dominating the battle space. Only a few jets make the cut, but they set the standard for what's possible. The engineering is immense, the advantage undeniable. Which jet impresses you most? Are there others that deserve a mention? Let us know in the comments. Speed, after all, is only getting more important.